Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm heading to Lake Arbuckle today. I've never been there. Definitely know it has some good fish in it, and hopefully we can catch some big ones. Just 2 days ago, I caught my new personal best. Didn't have my GoPro on. I'll throw some pictures up in this video here. It came out to be an even 7 pounds. I'm gonna say it's my personal best because I don't remember my old personal best from years ago. It was somewhere in the 6s, maybe even a 7.5. I don't really remember, but since it's been so long and I don't have proof of it anymore, I'm just gonna say this 7 is my best, and it's definitely my best this year for sure. I was in a little farm pond. That's the reason I didn't have a GoPro on. I broke my iPhone, I don't know, probably like 3 weeks ago now, so even all my pictures on my dang fish are all crappy. Use my old Android. Yeah. Anyways, I'm freaking tired. I got in from Dallas last night around, I don't know, I got home about 1:30 this morning, and then I got here at 1:30, got in bed probably about 2:15ish, and woke up on my second alarm at 3:50. Now I'm headed to the store up here to meet my dad. He's going fishing with me today. And going up here to meet him. I'm freaking tired. I can't even think right now. To head over to Arbuckle. It should be probably about an hour-and-a-half drive, and I will catch you guys there. Hopefully it'll be a really good trip today. And I think it's supposed to be kind of windy, which kind of sucks, but I just didn't want to go back to, we could have went to McGee Creek, but I didn't really want to go back to McGee Creek today. We haven't really had very good luck out there. It is a really pretty lake. It's like up in the mountains. I've got, actually I don't think I've ever posted a video of it. I got like 7 videos I need to get posted. I just keep procrastinating and buying more SD cards because I'm running out of space. So I went and bought another one last night. Yeah. So anyways, guys, I'm just now pulling up to the store. So I'm gonna get some gas and get this boat traded over onto my truck so we can head that way. I'll see you guys there, man. So fun news, guys. We're not going to Arbuckle now, because when I just met Dad to change the boat over onto the truck, we realized I had taken off my drop hitch. I don't know when, one of our fishing trips. So now we're headed in the opposite direction. I just drove 35 minutes out of his way to meet me. So I would drive the other hour-and-a-half and pull the boat with my truck. We could take his truck, but he just got it. It's a Dodge Dakota, an older truck. I don't know, 100 and some odd miles. He doesn't trust it, and I'd be in the same boat. I don't know. I wouldn't trust it either, really. But anyways, we are headed now to, we're in debation of McGee Creek or Raymond Gary. We've never fished Raymond Gary. I don't really know of any big fish there, and I do not want to go back to McGee Creek right now. So I guess we're gonna hit Raymond Gary. No clue how to get there. I don't know. You can go through, I think it's like a straight shot almost, actually. I don't know. not where I want to go. He didn't even want to go to Arbuckle this morning. That was a long drive. Yeah. He doesn't like to drive very far. Anyways, I was just gonna let you guys know that I really screwed up and took the hitch off, because usually whenever we go somewhere and somewhat of a distance, I'll just go to his house and pick up the boat, and in that case it wouldn't matter because the hitch would be sitting there. I just don't have the damn hitch. That's it. Screwed up. Anyways, alright, I'm gonna get off here, and more than likely we're gonna go to Raymond Gary. There goes one. Bass. Look. Oh yeah. Easily. It works. It works. Oh yeah. Yeah, fish goes. He's only at oh, you're seeing him now? Yeah. Oh, just got a bite. Come on, grab it. He must be little bitty. Ouch.
I'm just wondering if I need to jerk that thing off and shove me up.
Wait, hand me those pliers while you're down there.
Shove me up. Something like that on.
That guy's tongue, he's bleeding. There's the bass.
I thought he's bigger than that.
Yeah, he got smaller. We haven't seen a fish in so long.
Ain't no good. By the time I get my back leg,
Yeah, I think we need to give up. Do what?
down this wire right here.
Yeah, and I'm not even fishing right anymore.
Well, I don't understand how you can fish this shit like this, not get a bite. We'll let alone catch one, a bite. He's in a farm pond. This would be exactly what he's gonna fish. Got him, didn't he?
Good fish.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not a bad fish. Check your spots. What's going on, guys? So, not very happy with today's fishing, but hope you can hear me. Kind of windy out here. Anyways, not very happy with today's fishing. I absolutely love my new pole. I told you guys about it earlier. It's the Lose Mach 1, and it's a 7:1 gator ratio, and I was right earlier about the length of the rod. 610 medium heavy speed stick rod. I don't know. I really like it. It's actually, I was getting a lot of feeling with it today. Definitely a sensitive tip, but ended up catching all of my fish today, all whopping 3 of them on the Gary Yamamoto Cinco. Watermelon red flake is what I was catching it on, and my dad, he didn't put the fish in front of the camera, but he caught his fish on I want to say it was a booyah. Could be wrong. I'm pretty sure it's a booyah, but it's a black buzzbait. It was this morning. I don't know, probably within the first hour we got here, and I didn't catch a fish from then on until probably around 12. We got out here right at daylight, give or take, about 6:30. So 6 hours of fishing. Finally caught 2 fish. They're chasing bait fish, as you'll see in the video. And I was just throwing this worm out right into them. Anyways, dude decided to start mowing back there, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it there, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I can get all these videos up that I talked about earlier. I'm gonna try to get them up today. I might not go fishing like I mentioned, but I'll definitely catch you guys later. Just look at my beast ready to get the boat out. Yes.